Welcome, jewelry enthusiasts. I'm Suzanne, and I'll be your host as we explore the history, the beauty, and the intrigue of Sunstone. Sunstone is Oregon State's official gemstone. I'll be inviting on Deb, our very own graduate gemologist, to talk to us about the beauty of this sunstone, how to design with it, and how to properly care and clean it. As a special treat, I'll be inviting visiting artist Caitlin from Busy Beater to come and show us how to make a beautiful pair of thread or earrings using sunstone.
Get our email newsletter for beading news, sale announcements, new product announcements, and more. Link is in the description below.
Sunstone, an ancient gem radiating the sun's warmth, is celebrated for its shimmering aventurescence. This feldspar gem is unique due to copper or hematite inclusions, creating a radiant glow in hues of gold, orange, red, or green. Its prime sources include volcanic regions in Norway, Canada, Russia, India, and notably the state of Oregon in the US, which is famed for vibrant varieties. Beyond its beauty, sunstone is steeped in myth. Vikings believed it revealed the sun's location in overcast skies, essential for navigation. Native American tribes saw it as the sun's spirit, embodying strength and vitality. In ancient Greece, it symbolized life, prosperity, and divine power, aligning with sun gods. Sunstone, Oregon's state gemstone, is more than just a stone. It's a beacon of leadership, personal power, and freedom. Valued in jewelry, meditation, and healing, it reminds wearers of their inner light and life's boundless opportunities.
And look who's here. It's Deb. Welcome, Deb.
Hi, Suzanne.
And you are dressed perfectly for sunstone, from orange to brown. I love it.
That's right. That's the color range for sunstone.
So talk to us a little bit about this stone. Is it a good stone to use in jewelry?
Oh, it's beautiful stone. You can see the color range, and then it matches with most of the gemstone, from pearl to black onyx to carnelian, and plus it matches with all the metals, the precious metal, gold, silver, copper color, and yeah, beautiful stone.
And that's great to know. You can see, so it's very versatile with combining with other gemstones and then also using with lots of different types of metals.
So,
what is Mohs hardness on this stone?
the stone is hard enough. It's 6 to 6.5, but it's not the toughness. It has very poor toughness, so it may fracture with the high heat. So you have to be careful on that part. But otherwise, it's good for the necklaces, earrings, pendants, or if you can make anklets. Yeah, that's nice.
Okay. Well, and I know that it is the official gemstone of Oregon, and Fire Mountain Gems is based in Grants Pass, Oregon, so that's exciting. Now, is the stone that we sell, the sunstone that we offer at Fire Mountain, mined in Oregon?
So the Oregon sun, so there are only 2 small mines. So from where we live in beautiful valley of Rogue, it's about 80 miles from here, 80, 90 miles.
Okay, so Eastern Oregon.
Eastern Oregon,
okay.
Yeah. So it's not much supply from them. So our supply is only from India and some from China. The raw material is mostly Brazil, India, and Madagascar. So that's why the color is different. Oregon sunstone is very clear with the coppery inclusions, but the other one is from India. As you can see, it's more orangish color.
That makes sense. And as I'm looking at some of the strands here that we carry, I noticed there's a color variation. This is a little bit darker.
Yeah, so the gray makes it slightly lower grade.
Okay.
So the orange is much better. So what you see on those, the orange color beads. So they're all hand-cut orange. So you don't get whole large sizes because you don't find the larger rough on this sunstone. And the larger, when they break it, it's always, so mostly we see only the small sizes in the sunstone.
Okay, and what kinds of things would you want us to consider when we're cleaning the stone or storing it?
It reacts with acid very quickly, especially hydrofluoric acid. And cleaning-wise, the best warm soapy water is the best way to clean it. Never use ultrasonic or a steamer on this stone.
That's good to know. And then I have heard that it has a Schiller effect, and I've noticed there's some glittery, sparkly things in the stone.
Yeah, so certain stone that we call it phenomena. So this one has that shiny, which is known as a Schiller effect for the Sunstone, and that's because of the copper inclusions or hematite. So that's what light get reflected and give that shimmering effect.
That's beautiful.
Known as Schiller.
Well, Dev, thank you so much for coming and talking to us about Sunstone today. I have an extra special treat for you. I know usually one of us shows each other how to make a project, but we actually are going to welcome visiting artist Caitlin from Busy Beater, and she's going to show us how to make a simple and easy threader earring using Sunstone. Be right back.
Deb is so informative.
I know, he's so fun to have on. I am so excited to welcome you here today, Caitlin. Caitlin is from Busy Beater, and if you haven't had a chance to check out her channel, you need to. So talk to us a little bit about what Busy Beater is all about.
So my channel, Busy Beater, is a place where I make jewelry tutorials that are really quick, simple, and easy. I like to show people no matter how busy you are, you can take just a couple of minutes and inspire some creativity.
That is so great. And today, I understand, since we're in Oregon, we're going to be using Sunstone, Oregon's official gemstone, and I think you're going to be showing us a pair of threader earrings.
Yes, and these are right in my wheelhouse. They are so easy that even you can do.
Okay, great. Well, let me step out for just a bit here, and you can show us how to make these.
All right, today we have these gorgeous threader earrings, these head pins that have the little ball on the end, a little gold 2mm ball, and of course our gorgeous sunstone. And all we have to do to make these earrings is put the sunstone and the gold ball on our head pin and then attach our head pin to our threader earring. So let me show you.
So simple. I love how you picked gold. It looks so great with sunstone.
I think that the warm tones in gold just really bring out the beautiful flecks in the sunstone.
Yes, yes. And are those sunstone nuggets or beads or?
These are sunstone beads.
Okay.
And now we have to make our loop. So we're gonna go right above and make our angle. And then this is just a little too long, unfortunately.
Okay.
So we do have to clip off a little bit of excess here. Otherwise your loop will look kind of funny. But if your piece of sunstone is bigger, then you wouldn't have to clip it off. Just kind of all depends on what it's gonna look like.
So just a simple loop.
Just a simple loop. And now we are going to open that loop up, and then we grab our threader and we just put that little, there's a pre-made loop on the threader.
Oh, easy.
Through and close it. And close it like that. And there you go.
Beautiful. And how simple. How simple. I love it. Thank you so much, Caitlin. These are gorgeous.
Thank you so much for having me. I had a blast.
It's been so nice having you in our studio today. We can't wait to welcome you back.
Thank you. See you next time.
Sounds good. Thanks, Caitlin. Thank you for joining us as we learn more about Sunstone today. If you like what you saw, please like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. See you next time. Happy beading.